Hello, Chef here. Another beef recipe for you. I got this beautiful piece of Angus sirloin I wanted to share with you and show you why I selected this meat. First of all, quick recipe here. Quick recipe. So I selected this piece because the marbling's beautiful. It's got a little bit of fat. I'm going to remove the fat very quickly using a pointed boning knife. Remove as little as possible, of course. Just like this. Okay, that's not so good right there. Also pay attention to this piece right here with all the blood in there. That's not going to taste so good. I want to remove that. Okay. Okay, good to go. The rest of this looks really nice. Okay. Wow. I'm going to show you what we're going to do with that. Okay. First thing I'm going to do, I'm making some braised roulades. So the first thing I'm going to do is just check out this piece of meat, how big it is, the size, the shape, and I'm going to switch to a different knife. This knife's not quite big enough. So we're going to be selecting this one here. This is a slicer. And we're going to do some long pieces like this. Okay. The first one, just like that. The next one, there we go. Long, thin slices. Okay. We're going to repeat until this is all done. Okay. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Long pieces. These are about 1/4 of an inch thick. Really, really nice. Next thing we got is the meat mallet. Couple other ingredients we're using today are fresh parsley, some whole zucchinis, leeks, the green of the leeks, plum tomatoes. After pounding out the meat, I'm seasoning with some oregano, black pepper, sea salt. The zucchini for this recipe will be cut into some long strips. First, I'm going to cut it in half. Leeks, as you know, are much tougher, so we're going to just give them a chopping. Tomatoes are just going to be cut into a wedge like this. Small wedge. I've added a little more garlic here to the beef as well. Also some bacon, par-cooked bacon. Okay, to the beef I'm putting half a strip of bacon, just like this, on each piece of beef. Okay, half a strip of bacon, zucchini, tomato, and a few leeks, just like this. And then I'm going to proceed to roll this baby up. Okay. a few of the finished roulades. Looking really, really good.